In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the two-factor authentication on Facebook. So you'll basically have to go to your profile example, and then as example in here, you will have to scroll down a little bit until you find this settings and privacy. Once you go and click on that example, you'll find here a lot of options. So all we need to do for us to simply click on settings. This should take you into this option right here. So for you, you'll have to go and look for security. If you're an iPhone user, you'll have to scroll down a little bit and you should find this at the bottom. But if you're an Android user, as an example here, you'll be able to see everything in the account center. So you can click on see more account center. And of course, in here, you will have, or you will find, an example, this password and security. So you can go and click on that. And as you can see here, you'll find login and recovery. So you'll find change password and two-factor authentication. So if you click on it, if you have linked account with Instagram or something like that, you'll have just to click on your account, an example in here. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll basically ask you, or they will send you a code, whether you created your Facebook email using your number, they'll send you a code there. If you created it using your email, they will send you a code there. So just go and enter the code that they sent you. And as an example, instead of me, because I have to set this up for the first time, but instead of having to set this up, you'll find the turn off option. Once you click on your account, you'll find the turn off option. And if you click on that turn off, you will have just to simply accept or click on turn off again, and it will be turned off without any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.